Hello wonderful people and welcome to our channel. In this video we will be showing you how we clean and polish our cabinets. It is suggested that you use a soft cleaner. You wouldn't want to use anything that's harsh because it could possibly damage your cabinets. When applying your polish, you would want to use the up and down method because it would evenly distribute the polish so you can get that clean, nice shine. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. Leave us a comment below if you have any questions, and we will also provide you with all the details as to the cleaners and polishes that we feel works best. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and until next time.